Onbuhimo is a waist beltless carrier. It's pretty much like the back panel with just shoulder straps attached. Some of them are adjustable here at the bottom or also at the sides. It doesn't have a waist belt, so that makes it one that is often recommended during pregnancy. But it's a very quick up and down type of carrier, especially for walking and running toddlers. To put the baby on your back, there are a few different methods, and if you can just swing a backpack onto your back, you can put on an Onbuhimo. The most gentle option is just placing your baby into the carrier on an elevated surface and then standing in front of it and putting it on. But you can also place your child into the carrier so the toddler can step into it, and then you can swing it to go on to your back. So this is kind of the daredevil method, which scares people if you're on the street. And if you want to do the more gentle option, it's just slipping through the shoulder straps. So one arm goes through, I can hand it over to the other one. Closing the buckle. And then to tighten, I really pull towards the bottom of the carry because I want to get my baby nice and high. The chest strap is closed so the carrier cannot fall off of my shoulders. And with an Onbuhimo, often you can get your child very high up on your back. So for a curious toddler, it's very nice. All of the weight will be on your shoulders, chest, upper body. There's no waist belt or hip belt that takes off any pressure. So for longer distances with a very heavy toddler, it might be a bit too much. But for the toddler that wants to walk part of the hike and then go back up, this is a great option. It's super compact, so it can be easily stuffed into your back. It doesn't take up much space.